Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix login expired in a Time Doctor. So if you get an error like this, okay, don't worry. First of all, your tracked time, right? It is not lost. It will be uploaded to servers once you sign out and sign in. So that's how I fixed it. You basically just come to the top left, okay? You click on your profile icon, or you can click on this sign out button as well. But you click here on your profile icon, click on sign out, okay? And then you sign back in. So you can go ahead and sign in with Google, or you can use your email and password as well. Now, once you go ahead and sign back in, okay, the time entries recorded from the moment that error message came about, okay, until the re-login, they will sync to dashboard. You will not lose anything. So you don't have to worry about that. That is how to fix login expired in Time Doctor.